Alright guys, I'm continuing the video that got stopped. Sorry, it was challenge time while we were doing it, so some people walked in and we had to abruptly stop. Logan, you're now in the video. Okay, Eric has 25 apps on his phone. 12 are game apps, 4 are sports apps, and 11 are homework help apps. The remaining apps on Eric's phone are music apps. The expression below can be used to determine the number of music apps on his phone. So, he has 25 total apps. We know that we're going to subtract his 12 games, his 4 sports, and his 1 homework help app. When we're subtracting, if I were to write 5 minus 3, I get 2. But if I wanted to switch it around and I got 3 minus 5, it no longer works because now we have a negative 2. And those are not the exact same value. So when looking at subtraction, we need to make sure that we stay with whatever is in front stays in front. If I wanted to say 5 minus 1.5 times 2, that's the same thing, but I've kept 5 in the front of the subtraction problem. All right, we're looking for which expression is equivalent to this one. So we can move everything around in here, but we cannot move 25. All right, if we look at A, 25 is in front, so we're already good on that. We have 4 plus 1 plus 12. Now we moved what's around inside the parentheses, but that's okay because it's addition. So we're going to put a pin in this. It could be there. B has a 13. I don't know where 13 came from. I'm not sure what happened there, but we definitely don't have a 13. And there's no subtraction, so we've lost some information in that problem. C is talking about a bunch of multiplication that wasn't there in the beginning. And so I'm thinking somebody got confused that this 25 minus was because it's outside of the parentheses. They tried to distribute it, and that's not correct. Now D is talking about exactly what I just said with 5 minus 3 and 3 minus 5. And they put 25 in the back. And so now it's saying that we've got 17 minus 25, and that's wrong too. So our correct answer is A. All right, last one. Matt has 7 quarters, 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 8 pennies. It's written as this expression. Which expression is equivalent to Matt's expression? Now, we've got 7 multiplied by 0.025. Just like we did with Chef Cal and his 3 multiplied by 99 cents, we need to make sure that we keep our 7 multiplied by our 25 cents, our 4 multiplied by our 10 cents, and our 3 multiplied by our 5 cents, our 8 multiplied by our 1 cent. If we look at this, we've got 7 multiplied by 0.25 multiplied by 4, and that's not right. We've already made a mistake, and there's a bunch of extra multiplication, so we're going to go ahead and cross out A. Now on B, there's been a typo, so I want you to scribble out this 0 to the decimal point. So we've got an 8 multiplied by 1 cent, 4 multiplied by 10 cent, 3 multiplied by 5 cent, and 7 multiplied by 25 cents. Put a pin in it, it might be right. C has answered exactly how much money that is. And so if we were to figure out all of those different numbers, we would need to actually solve. Now, for the sake of time, I am going to use a calculator. I need you to solve this on your paper so that I can see that you can do it. So this is $1.25. And already, I'm seeing that we have gotten very confused on our numbers here. It's saying $17.50 multiplied by all of these very small numbers, and that's not going to be right. Because this is going to be 40 cents, this is going to be 15 cents, and this is going to be 8 cents. All right. So if we decided to add 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 and multiply it by 41 cents, that's not correct either, because they have completely forgotten the value of the different quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies, and they've tried to combine all of it and make a shortcut that doesn't work. So our answer would be B, because we've got all of the different pieces. They might be mixed around, but overall it still has it's an equivalent expression because it has the exact same value. All right, you guys, there's now 3 videos for you to watch. I hope that you get some help and that you most definitely can finish the rest of this paper. Thank you.